In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting in Google Meet. This might be something you need to do if you no longer require a meeting or have a change of plans. Let's get started. First, we'll go to the meet.google.com website. Here you'll see a list of your scheduled meetings. If you can't spot the meeting right away, don't worry. Sometimes it helps to check your email calendar invites or any notes you might have taken. Once you've got your meeting in sight, you're ready to go. Next, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the cluster of dots that represent Google Apps. Give that menu a click to open it. The Google Apps menu is your gateway to all of Google's integrated tools, which makes it super easy to maneuver between different features that Google offers. Now you're going to select Google Calendar from this menu. This is the application where your meetings are stored. Google Calendar is the backbone for scheduling and ensuring our time is managed well, so it only makes sense to use it to access meeting details directly. Once in Google Calendar, locate the meeting you want to delete. You can do this by scrolling through your calendar view, which should display your meetings by date. After finding your meeting, right-click on it. This action will bring up several options in a small menu. Look for the option that says Delete and click on it. This should be straightforward, as it's usually at the top or in a prominent position in the menu list. By selecting Delete, you're effectively removing the meeting from your calendar and notifying other participants that the meeting has been canceled. This option is perfect if you want to handle meeting deletions efficiently and simply. There's also another way to achieve this. Instead of right-clicking, you can simply left-click on the meeting to open it fully. This not only gives you a detailed view, but also provides you access to more options and information about the meeting. Once you're looking at the full details of the meeting, search for a trash can icon on your screen. This icon represents deleting the event. Clicking this trash can accomplishes the same goal as deleting it from the pop-up menu, but offers you the chance to double-check meeting details before finalizing your decision. And there you have it. Deleting a meeting in Google Meet using Google Calendar is just a few clicks away. Whether you're clearing space on your calendar or simply tidying up, these steps ensure that the process is smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more handy tech tips.